Welcome guys, and yes, you've read the title correct. We are here today with loaded banana chips. You ever hear this before? Drop that down in the comment section and let me know. So as you know, we have our banana chips sliced up in circular. This is how we want it, and this is soaking in water, salt water to be exact, to extract that moisture. And we have our grated cheddar cheese, or scallion, and our mozzarella cheese, guys. And we have our oil eating up round at the back, so let's go. We're just going to drain the excess water and get on with the frying. So forward. Yes guys, look at that, roaring hot. Look at that, guys. Forgot the camera. So we're just going to allow this to fry until golden brown and crispy. So we are going to come back when we're giving it a check. Look at that. And we're going to allow this to fry for 5 to 8 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. We're going to come back again when we're giving it a check within that time frame. So forward. Yes guys, look at that. Look at that. So we're just going to give it a check. St. Mary have nothing on us. Look at that, nice and crispy.
Alright guys, so we're going to remove this from the oil now.
Yes guys, and then we will get on with the assembly of this. So drop down in the comment section and tell us what you think. Yes guys, shake off the excess oil, and you can place this on a paper towel just the same. You hear that, guys? So it was so forward, guys. Yes guys, start dropping them comments. Look at that, nice and crispy. Yes guys. This is so nice. Pure creativity over here, guys. And guys, yes, and if you see someone using our ideas and they're not giving credit, please to call them out for it. Please call them out for it. Yes guys, so look at that. Look at that, that's so nice. So guys, you see, you can use your hand, turn fashion, you know, Jamaican terms. Look at that. Coming along with our mozzarella cheese.
Oh, this cheese, you know guys, when you know the chefs.
Yes guys. That cheddar. Look at that, beautiful scallion. Nice guys, this is so lovely, coming with that bacon. Guys, I'm so excited. Let me hear you guys in the comment section as well, because I know I'm not the only one. Yeah, look at that. That's so nice.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get this in the oven now.
Yes guys, we're gonna place this in the oven. So forward again.
We're gonna insert it in the oven.
Yeah, so forward. Yes guys, look at that. And we're just gonna place this in the oven until the cheese is melt, because remember, everything else is cooked. Soon come. Look at that guys, look at that, beautiful. Ready up your quick thinking, your quick fingers, spam up the comment section. Bang 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 bang. Ready. Look at that guys, time to garnish. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Remember to follow us on Instagram pictures will be posted over there. Yes guys, and remember, follow our chef TikTok. We have a lot in store over there for you guys. Some of the content that you've never seen over here will be over there, so if you don't follow us, you'll be missing out. So yes guys, this is it, the final result. This is it. Yes guys, so until next time,
Bye foodies. Bang bang boom.
remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?